Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to find coal in Minecraft. So let's get straight into the video. I'm just going to go ahead and create a new world without knowing where I am about to be, so that I can go ahead and show you guys exactly how you can find it. So generally, when you spawn in a map, as you can see, you want to simply understand where about you are in. I am currently above most likely a temple, but I'm not going to worry about that. What I am going to worry about is something like this right over here. If you find something like a cave right around where you are spawning, then that is absolutely brilliant. I'm just going to go ahead and get torches. I'm just, keep in mind, I'm in creative and I'm just going to go ahead and show it to you this way. But the best way to go ahead and do it, of course, you're going to be survival, of course. So once you get inside of a cave, this is going to be the best bet for you to find coal. And there you go. We have just found coal. There's also creeper, which is absolutely hilarious, but that is about it. So it's as simple as that. The best way to find it is going to be in caves, just like this. But if you do not find any kind of caves right over here, you can also try to look for mountains. Or if you don't find mountains, just like that, what you want to do is simply go ahead and go down to about 16, 17, or you could also find it at level 95. That is going to be the best bet to find coal for you. So as you can see on the top left of my screen, there is going to be a XYZ coordinates. And when you go to around 90, 95, then you're going to find coals a lot. So I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.